my name is Sam and I'm the UK Country Manager for TaxDome, and today I'm going to walk you through our income tax self-assessment return pipeline. So obviously the goal is to automate this process as much as we can, so you're able to bulk add your clients to this process and customize it in any way that you see fit. When we add client accounts to this workflow, we're going to start off by requesting their documents and information. By clicking this icon here, I can see that we're going to request this information with a digital form called an organizer. We're going to automate our client engagement by sending them an email. This will simply prompt them to log into their portal and submit the information listed here. And we're going to also automate the account tag application, which will help us to filter and organize our accounts later on within the CRM. Let's start by taking a look at this organizer template. This is how it's going to be visible for your clients. It's separated into different sections, making it really easy for them so they know exactly what information they need to provide. You can use different question types to really have as much flexibility when requesting this information. And as we mentioned before, all of these sections and templates are completely customizable. When your clients submit that organizer, that job will automatically move to the next stage, where a task will be created and automatically assigned to the relevant team member, who will be responsible for reviewing the documents and information uploaded. We're also again going to automate that client engagement by sending them an email thanking them for submitting their info. Once this task has been marked as complete, you're ready to get started. The job will move to the next stage, where we have a task that's going to be created for the relevant team member, who will be responsible for then creating that draft. Again, as always, we're updating the client constantly. Once that team member has created that draft and marked that task as complete, again, the job will move to the next stage, where another task will be created, an internal management tool. That task will be assigned to another team member, perhaps the firm owner or someone who is responsible for approving those drafts. And once they have approved it and they're happy to send it to the client for their approval, once that task is marked as complete, it will then enter the client review stage. To send it to the client for review, you need to simply create a chat which is external to this pipeline, link it to the workflow and job so TaxDome knows that those two elements are linked together. Once you've done so, when the client logs into their portal, reviews their tax return and is happy to proceed, they'll mark a client task in that chat. Then that job will then move to the next stage of the workflow, where we have an invoice that's going to be automatically sent. Here, you can choose to send an invoice on another software, and if that is the case, you can simply remove this step and the job will then move into the last stage, the file return step, where a task is created, reminding a team member to submit that and file it, and also sending a confirmation to your client. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.